Hi family, today I'm going to show you how to remove the humming sounds or the audio distortions from the green board. So this is how you do it. First, the humming sounds or the music distortions normally are caused by poor grounding of the amplifier, be it green board or red board. So when the grounding is poor, then the music output tend to have some distortions or humming sounds. So this is how we remove them. So first you have to ground. You ground the zero potential wire. So for the green boards, at the power input you have the 24024. Let me show you. This one is indicated as 24, then this one is 0, then this one is 24. So to stop the humming sounds, you have to ground the zero potential input, which is this one here. You ground it to the transformer, then back to the ground. So here is my power supply. It is somehow messy, but it is very fine. So here is my power supply. So you have to ground the zero potential wire. So I'll use another transformer for you to understand it better, because here it is such a mess, you cannot see well. So I'll be using this transformer. This transformer here. This one is a 12012 transformer with an output of 500 milliamps, which equals to 0.5 amperes. So this one is 12. The black one is 0. The other yellow wire is 12. So this one is the one which has zero potential. So for the case of the green board now, you ground the one with zero potential. So let me show you now here. Now this is the wire which carries the zero potential in the transformer. So you have to ground it to the earth. Let me show you. Now here is my earth rod. This is my earth rod here. So you have to attach the zero potential wire to the ground here. So let me show you now how it's done. So when I switch on my power supply, you can hear very well the humming sounds. So for you to stop them now, you have to attach the wire to the ground. So as you can hear, the humming sounds have stopped. When I remove the wire, the humming sounds return. So that's how it's done. I think the point is home.